What is up, YouTube? Back with another sneaker unboxing review. And another package from Nike. Got these new boxes here. One more Nike Just Do It tape. Got these reusable boxes too with the tape. Or should I say the adhesive. These are, I believe, the Armory Navy mids that I got from Nike from maybe last week or so. But yeah, Air Jordan 1 mid, Armory Navy / white black, size 10. Style code, here it is. Normal Jordan 1 box, standard Jordan paper, and okay. All right. So first impressions, I mean, it's very reminiscent of the Air Jordan 1 mid Obsidian from maybe like 2 or 3 years ago. It's a mid also, but instead up here on the tongue, it's gold, if I'm not mistaken. But this is Armory Navy, right? Let me try to back up just a little bit. Let's see. Okay. Okay, there. Just making some adjustments. All right. So, you got your Armory Navy outsole, white midsole. Got that white toe box. Got this Armory Navy all around the shoe, on the swoosh to the heel. Then you got this black, what's this? It's nubuck actually. On the top part of the heel, you got the white Air Jordan Wings logo there. Got the white mid part of the shoe. You got black laces. They're not navy laces or anything. You got a white tongue with an Armory Navy patch with a gray. No. I guess, yeah, you could say. That's a white Air Jumpman there. Here's the production insole. You got what looks to be a white forebed with a, let me see if I can see that correctly, with an Armory Navy Jumpman up in there. I don't know if you guys can see that. Yeah. And then you have some black nubuck here. I forgot about that. It's all hidden in here. And some more on this side. So this is nubuck right here. Yeah, it's a nice touch. You know, you still have that standard Jordan mid leather here, that stiff leather. But in time, you know, break them in. But solid colorway, honestly. I don't have those mids I'm referring to, so I think these will do. These are nice though. This blue, or should I say this navy, it's actually really dark. So the way it looks on camera, that's the way it looks. Very clean, very simple. Let me check out the other shoe real quick. So I got these on Nike when they released. It kept telling me, oh, I didn't get them, and this and that. But I kept going after them, and eventually it says congrats, and you know the whole deal on the Nike app. But clean, simple shoe. Like I said in probably previous videos, I am kind of like a Jordan 1 mid type of person. I like mids. I don't get the hate at all. I just keep buying them because, in my opinion, to me, that they're good. You know what I mean? The colorways are fire. They're dope to me. So that's just my opinion. You know, I buy what I like. But yeah, I mean, so far, I mean, this is a nice shoe, honestly. Very nice and clean, simple. Probably wear with anything almost, really. But that's pretty much it. Just, you know, I always like to just keep it simple. Tell me what you guys think in the comments below. And then here's the label one more time for y'all. And that's it, guys. I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.